met Mrs. Hendrickson's yesterday.
Oh, it was awful. I tried to show her how to fumigate her house. And the bag with the crap and stuff.
Yeah.
Who the hell out?
Go.
Danny! Oh.
Mom!
Oh, I'm glad you're back, son.
I'm glad to be back too, Mom. Oh, Ruby, Mr. Chandler, Uncle Clarence, and P.S. Gosh almighty, gee, oh, Christ.
All right, go.
He's just been telling us how you sold 9 cleaners in one day.
That was a mistake.
No, it wasn't. When you believed you could read minds, it gave you confidence in yourself. Now, I'm so convinced you can do it again that I've appointed you sales manager of our Cucamonga district.
Me? Sales manager?
Wait.
And a god...
All right, go.
He's just been telling us how you sold 9 cleaners in one day.
That was a mistake.
No, it wasn't. When you believed you could read minds, it gave you confidence in yourself. Now, I'm so convinced you can do it again, I'm appointing you sales manager of our Cucamonga branch.
All right, go.
That's all on this side, Mr. Chandler. If you turn it over, we'll get the answer to the whole story. Now, I'm going to put the record...
Exclusive. Wool has gone up to 50,000 pesos per kilo. Wonderful.
What? Sell my own family? Never! Off with you now!
Idiot!
Excuse me?
There now, don't be frightened. It's just that I am upset. My ranch is done for. I have only one little lamb left. It's dying of loneliness. The poor little orphan. Adopting Manolín.
Delighted to.
Magnificent, but Burrito need not know about it. Then at sundown, Camera gente, I have a little chore for you.
A chore? For me?
And a box of cigars, your favorites. What do you say, are you coming?
I'm already there.
Across the way there is a flock of stupid sheep who think they are very happy.
They have not seen the light yet, huh?
And we must enlighten them.
Oh, that's done.
Let's get going. The date is at sundown. Here is the little orphan. Isn't he beautiful?
Yes, but with us he's going to be happy from now on.
More than you can imagine. Thank you.
My dear comrades, we are the innocent victims of a corrupt and ignorant system. We are exploited without mercy, but the hour of liberation is at hand. But a few steps toward the east is the land of promise. There! All right, let's go!
Where are you going?
With Candy! He has made us see the light! Hooray!
Burrito! Burrito! Listen, don't open. These guys are gonna win.
Lammy, you're leaving me too?
Oh, yes, indeed. Chester and I are engaged.
You're leading her to the altar, eh?
Of course.
Of course, but we'll marry you now. If there's anyone here who thinks that you two shouldn't get married.
Oh, I am very sick. Oh.
Something you didn't eat. Is that it, Mr. Wolf? There's your great leader. Your liberator. So it's Comrade Chanty, eh? Waiting for something, a send-off? Well, here you are.
Springs are above the center of gravity and out over the wheels. The result is an amazing new stability on curves.
Really smooth, isn't it? Let's see. Now, ordinarily, the springs are close together. You take a turn, whoops. But deep coil springs in American Motors cars are inclined at an angle, like sea legs. You turn, and it's the greatest.
Yes, this is the right way to ride in 55, and you're so right to choose a thrilling new 55 Nash Ambassador with new trend-setting style and a new Scenoramic wraparound windshield, whitest of any car. Another great reason why American Motors means more for Americans.
That's right. More car for your money when you buy, and more money for your car when you trade.
I'm done. Every time I look at that pot, I get... I'm gonna take it out of the picture. Take it out.